Are you looking for a nice blouse that is comfortable, that is flowy, that is great for winter, for summer? Then you might consider check SeSe's blouses. So this is a 3/4 blouse, as you can see here. Mine is color pink, and it has these beautiful floral decorations. I feel that I can wear these with jeans, with pants, even with shorts and skirts, and it looks very nice and flowy. So I feel that even if it's during the summer that you can wear it, you can still get all the air like flowing through your body because it's double line. And this line, you can even put it inside your jeans, for example, and then this is how it will look. It looks very pretty. I also like it for gifts. Now that the winter time is approaching, I like to give it to, for example, my mom or my aunt. So I hope you check it out. They have different colors, and thank you so much for watching my video.